Hello, a day in my life. I'm here. Magluto po ako ng squid. Favorito ko po yan. May recipe. Yung squid ito mga may guys, maliit lang siya. Uy, $10. So, sa Pilipinas pa, 500 pesos. Ang liit-liit niya. Pero, very clean na po yan. Wala na po yung mga itom-itom. So, yan. Ini-slice ko na lang yan siyang maliit-maliit. Tapos, nag-prepare na po ako. May olive oil na po dyan. Tapos, diniritso ko na po yung mga lamas, yung mga sahog, ginger, garlic, at saka green onion. So, ano ko na talaga. Tapos yung bell pepper, parang dinadiretso ko na talaga siya pagkaluto. O, diba? Bell pepper is so good. Tapos yan, i-mix-mix ko lang siya para naman masarap yung yung mga what they call that one, mga ingredients. So, di ba? Oh, yan na po. Yung pusit squid. It was so good. Yummy. Smell good. Tapos, yan po yung ulam ko mga may guys. Kanak-kanak. Yan po yung dalawang ulam namin. Kadadi, iba din yung ulam ni daddy. Nagpizza lang si daddy. Tapos, siya na po. Di ba? Look at my squid. It was so good. So, delicious mga my guys. I put ketchup on that, seasoning. Tapos, my baby girl, she's here. She's very excited of her birthday presents. Late open. Because she got a lot of toys mga my guys. So, it's hard to be clean up na. My goodness. And now, she's very excited. Tingnan niyo siya. That's our gift. That's the frozen with the clothes. Oh my goodness mga my guys. So tingnan niyo siya. She's very excited talaga yung frozen. Tapos ang dami talaga mag-clean up. Hindi yan siya mag-clean up. Pag mapagalitan na mag-clean up na yan siya. If mommy got mad, my voice got loud also. She gonna do clean up because she's scared. I told daddy be careful to put that necklace because I don't wanna tear up that her gold necklace. Mabugtas yan. Oh my gosh. So sabi ni daddy, okay. So yan